Imagine a kitchen where everything has its place, where cooking is a joy, and finding what you need takes seconds. Sounds like a dream? It doesn't have to be. In this video, we're unlocking the power of efficient kitchen storage, showing the top kitchen organization products you absolutely need. You won't want to miss these innovative ideas. The 5-tier rotating storage rack cart is a versatile addition for kitchen organization, perfect for decluttering any space. With 5 spacious tiers that rotate 360 degrees, it maximizes corner or tight spaces, holding everything from fruits to vegetables and a top shelf for pans and appliances. Crafted from durable, rust-resistant metal, it's built to last, and its wheels ensure easy mobility. Ideal for pantries or kitchen corners, it's a stylish, space-saving solution that keeps your kitchen essentials accessible. This rotating storage cart brings order and convenience to your cooking routine. The kitchen sink organizer is a rust-proof, stainless steel marvel that keeps your sink area tidy and functional. Designed to hold sponges, brushes, and soap, it features a drip tray to prevent countertop mess and a sleek design for easy cleaning. Its sturdy construction resists corrosion, ensuring long-lasting use. Perfect for small or busy kitchens, this sink organizer streamlines dishwashing tasks, keeping essentials at your fingertips while elevating your kitchen's aesthetic. Airtight containers are a pantry game-changer, keeping dry goods fresh and organized. Made from BPA-free plastic, they feature secure lids for airtight sealing, perfect for cereals, pasta, or snacks. The set includes various sizes with clear bodies for easy content identification, plus labels for added organization. Stackable and space-efficient thanks to their square shape, these airtight containers are a must for every kitchen, ensuring freshness and order with minimal effort. This magnetic paper towel holder is a sleek and space-saving solution for every kitchen. With strong magnets, it attaches to fridges or metal surfaces, freeing up counter space. Its sturdy stainless steel design ensures durability, while the easy-tier mechanism makes grabbing a sheet effortless. Perfect for quick cleanups, this magnetic holder adds convenience and style, keeping paper towels accessible without cluttering your workspace. The 10-pack fridge organizer set transforms your refrigerator into a clutter-free zone. Made from clear, BPA-free plastic, these bins organize vegetables or fruits, with handles for easy access. Stackable and versatile, they fit various fridge sizes, maximizing space and keeping items visible. With a tray in the bottom to collect moisture, this fridge organizer set is essential for every kitchen, streamlining storage and reducing food waste, although they are not dishwasher safe. The 5-tier kitchen corner shelf rack is a smart solution for unused corners, offering ample storage for cookware or pantry items. Made from durable metal, it's easy to assemble and fits snugly in tight spaces. Its open design keeps essentials accessible, while the sleek look complements any kitchen decor. This corner shelf is perfect for every kitchen, optimizing space and keeping your cooking area organized and efficient. The soda can organizer is a fridge or pantry must-have, designed to keep cans neatly arranged and accessible. This adjustable, stackable organizer holds up to 10 cans, with a rolling design for easy retrieval. Made from durable plastic, it's lightweight and fits most fridge shelves. Perfect for soda or canned goods, this can organizer maximizes space and simplifies your kitchen storage, keeping drinks ready to grab. The baker's rack with power outlet is a multifunctional gem, combining storage with convenience. Featuring multiple shelves for appliances or pantry items, it includes a built-in power strip for easy access to outlets. Crafted from sturdy metal with dark wood shelves, it's perfect for microwaves, toasters, or decor, with a modern design that elevates your kitchen. This baker's rack is a must for every kitchen, blending organization with practicality. The expandable dish rack for kitchen counter is a versatile solution for drying dishes efficiently. Made with a rust-resistant stainless steel rack, it adjusts to fit various sink sizes, with a drain board to keep counters dry that drains the water directly into the sink. It holds plates, cups, and utensils, with a sleek design that's easy to clean. This dish rack is a must-have for every kitchen, saving space and streamlining your dish drying routine. The over-the-door pantry organizer maximizes pantry space with adjustable baskets for snacks, spices, or cleaning supplies. Made from durable steel, it hangs securely on standard doors, requiring no tools for installation. Its slim design fits small spaces, keeping items accessible and organized. This pantry organizer is perfect for every kitchen, transforming unused door space into a clutter-free storage solution. The over-the-sink dish drying rack is a space-saving hero, fitting over your sink to free up counter space. Made from stainless steel, it's adjustable to accommodate various sink sizes holding dishes, utensils, and cutting boards. Its rust-proof design ensures durability, and the drip tray keeps messes contained. This sink rack is a must for kitchens that have only the area over the sink with free space, offering efficient drying with a sleek, modern look, maximizing the use of your counter. This fruit basket vegetable stand is both functional and stylish, keeping produce fresh and accessible. Made from sturdy metal, it features a top wood plate for appliances and a tiered basket for potatoes, onions, or fruits, with a breathable design to prevent spoilage. Its compact footprint fits in corners or in between counters, adding rustic charm. and the wheels make it easy to maneuver when needed. This fruit basket is perfect for every kitchen, organizing produce while enhancing your decor. The two-tier turntable organizer brings convenience to your kitchen, perfect for spices, condiments, or snacks. Made from durable plastic, it rotates 360 degrees for easy access and has a non-slip base for stability. Its compact and stackable design fits cabinets or countertops, keeping items visible and organized. The revolving spice rack with 20 jars is a countertop showstopper, offering a Ferris wheel-inspired design for spice storage. Made from stainless steel, it includes 20 labeled glass jars for easy identification, with a rotating mechanism for quick access. Perfect for organizing seasonings, this spice rack adds flair and functionality to every kitchen, keeping your flavors at your fingertips. This fruit and vegetable basket with wheels is a versatile and stylish storage solution designed to keep your produce fresh, organized, and easily accessible. Featuring smooth rolling wheels and convenient pull-out baskets, it offers effortless mobility. Crafted from high-quality, durable metal with a breathable mesh design, this basket promotes optimal airflow to extend the shelf life of your fruits and vegetables, reducing waste. Its sleek, modern aesthetic complements any kitchen decor, while its sturdy construction ensures long-lasting use. The Utopia Kitchen cereal container storage set keeps breakfast staples fresh and organized. Made from BPA-free plastic with airtight lids, these containers are perfect for cereals, grains, or snacks. Their clear design makes contents visible, the stackable shape saves pantry space, and the lid facilitates serving. These cereal containers are a must for every kitchen, ensuring freshness and tidy storage with ease. These under-cabinet utensils hooks maximize space by hanging spoons, spatulas, or towels under cabinets. With a 360-degree rotating design and adhesive installation, they're easy to set up and made from durable, rust-resistant metal. Perfect for small kitchens, these utensil hooks keep tools accessible while decluttering drawers, adding efficiency to your cooking routine. The Utopia Roll-Down Egg Dispenser is a fridge-friendly organizer that holds up to 14 eggs in a compact, rolling design. Made from sturdy plastic, it dispenses eggs one at a time, keeping them secure and accessible. Its space-saving design fits most fridge shelves, making it a smart addition, and it's available in single or double tracks for twice the capacity. This egg dispenser is perfect for every kitchen, streamlining egg storage with ease. The Bamboo Silverware Organizer by Pipashell is an eco-friendly, expandable tray for utensils, cutlery, or small gadgets. With adjustable compartments, it fits various drawer sizes and keeps items neatly separated. Its natural bamboo finish adds warmth to your kitchen, and it's easy to clean. This silverware organizer is essential for every kitchen, offering sustainable style and organization. This Pantry can organizer is a stackable, rolling solution for canned goods, holding up to 36 cans. Its tiered design ensures easy access, with automatic rolling to bring the next can forward. Made from durable plastic, it's perfect for pantries or cabinets, keeping cans organized and visible. This can organizer is perfect for those that want to maximize space and simplify storage. And if you want more kitchen gadgets, check out these 20 kitchen tools that will make your life easier.